Hi there, hope you're doing well. The work is complete, and so this is the dashboard that I'm planning to give you. So this particular dashboard is kind of linked to the file that you have sent. So when I send you this file, you might have to go ahead and re link that file onto the thing place, so that you'll be able to refresh here. So when you go ahead and refresh right now, you can see all the data from that particular sheet is getting refreshed, and all the charts, every single one of them will automatically get updated. I'm currently on a 14-inch monitor, so that's probably the reason why you're looking at it in a smaller screen. So if I kind of fit this to my full screen, so you can see that it does get fit. So it's up to you to go ahead and use it. So the data model, the data whatever you're trying to modify will be in here, and you can go ahead and see. So let me just go ahead and kind of give you a perspective of what this dashboard is all about and how does it work. You mentioned that you'd like to go ahead and see by filtering it out on each of the information. So you may choose so by clicking on the slicer. By just dragging it, it will go ahead and show you only 2018. So you can see 2018, 2018 is comes up. If you put both or just drag to the other end, it will show you only 2019. So all the data, every single one of them are linked to this particular slicer. Now one thing you may want to notice is, let's see. Okay, so the first thing, so this particular scroller, it actually, if you kind of hover over it, it'll just stop, and basically that shows the information here. You can see the categories right here, and the new mobile. So let's, so if I go back to the data, so if I just kind of quickly open. So this particular total media is the one which gets updated. So that's pretty much how it gets that information. So that keeps scrolling for you, and it comes up. So this one gives you the overall information only for the magazine and the network, and we have like six category, right? So that gets updated. So basically, if you go ahead and see for that specific year, that's 2018, so that gets updated. So if you go ahead and see only for 2019, that will get updated as well. So basically right now we are looking at both. So that's the thing, and this one kind of shows you the overall picture of how much each of the categories overall can contribute. So that's pretty much how it is. So you can see that, and then we have some of these values. You can see that it's getting rounded off, so you can see these two information here. um, this is your 2018 and 2019 total media year, so that gets updated on the thing. And let's scroll down. This gives you kind of a total of each of these categories right here, and it gets the total amount. Like, so you can here itself you can see how much each of these totals contribute as a category. Now this one is the company information, so probably I can actually go ahead and update this one in here. So you can see that each of these companies, how much where they spend on 2019 and 18, so that information is here. So that is pretty much what is updated. So if in case you wanted to go ahead and see the actual size, you can see that it's pretty comprehensive, and it gives you a very clear picture. So when you go ahead and zoom or view this in a bigger monitor, you can have a better view of this. If you prefer, I can even change this one to the company, so that you'll have these information based on the company level. At the moment it's set to the class. So okay, so let's go down here in terms of I think I think the data in here, the legend alone is incorrect. So let me go ahead and edit that shortly, and I'll come back to you. So let me know what you think, and we can go ahead further from there. Okay, thank you. Have a good day. Bye.